a pinch and a half of stevia. Carry on mixing till you reach a particular consistency, which I am going to show you what consistency the batter should be. Now at this point I felt that the batter was too thick, so I have added 1/4 cup of almond unsweetened milk. You can even use normal milk if you choose, or soya milk, or any other milk of your choice. I thought I'd add some almond milk, and I've used altogether 1/4 of the cup. I keep checking the batter and seeing whether it's reached its right consistency, and I still feel it's a bit thick, so let me see if I'll need to add a little more. So yeah, I forgot to add my pinch of salt, which I'm doing right now. And this is the consistency that it should be. It should be a thickish batter, so it'll hold well. So now get your waffle iron ready, and all your waffle irons will be of different kinds. So get it ready, put it on, and take a bit of butter and butter all the sides of the waffle iron inside, because that will help and it won't make your batter stick when it's cooking. Now pour in the batter. This I was showing you the consistency again, and put it into your waffle iron and spread it out right till the corners, and just see that all the holes get covered up with the batter. That is very important while making these waffles. It should be nice and thick, but not over pouring. I have a 2-side waffle iron, and it takes out pretty big sized waffles. So the batter that I've made is good for 4 of these waffles. So I'm going to do 2 at a time, and to show you today I'm doing 2 nice big waffles. So this is pretty much how your waffle iron should be, full, no holes. and I'm going to check them and see if they are done. Oh wow, they're almost there. So yeah, here we have it, our two absolutely perfect waffles. Beautiful brown, crispy, and watch what I'm going to make with these two waffles. My almond flour sandwiches with turkey, cucumber, and lettuce and ham. Whoa! Here, guys, I'm off taking another bite. Absolutely amazing. Don't miss out making these, guys. They're absolutely amazing. See you. Bye. And do subscribe to my channel and press the bell so that you'll get all the notifications for my next videos. So see you soon. Bye.